Do your thing, bro. Do your thing. Brother. What are you doing? Anyway, this is D's car. It's kind of clouds, but it's cool, I guess. I like it. Fitment. Alright, we don't talk about the fitment, but still.
That's my baby.
Probably chase now.
I wasn't gonna buy it. I seen it in.
They got my car, bro. Oh my god.
Back to life.
Back to life. Seriously.
Thought she died.
She did not.
She did not die.
That rim stretch is crazy.
I'm telling you, bro, the tire stretch, immaculate.
It's perfect, bro. It's literally perfect.
Literally,
It's perfect.
who is this handsome? Oh shit! Look at. He has to flex the doors. Yeah, has to flex with the Lambo doors. It's crazy. And he
You know, man. You know, hell yeah, you know.
What's the socials?
It's DT 1K, man.
DT1K.
Hell yeah. Yes, sir.
On the bikes.
Alright, what's your at? Tell the people.
Do what?
Come on, don't be shy now. 3V_Gray.
Yeah, it's 3D grand. I'm just
This is
playing.
Mustang, which is nice.
You get that.
Bro, it's pushing like 800 horsepower. You know?
Nah, 440.
440 is still crazy though.
362 real though. So 5-speed manual.
5 speed. Okay. All right, talk your shit. God damn.
It's a stock 4.6 block. It's got a Ford Performance racing.
Oh yeah, bro. We gotta get you talking about your car soon though.
Soon.
Nismo Viet over there.
for it. Wait for the podcast.
Crossbar, GT500 throttle body. Got a cold air intake on there. It's 293 pump gas.
God.
Stage 1 McLeod clutch. TDS one-piece drive shaft, 410 rear end.
God.
That's about it. So, I mean, it's sitting on BMR suspension, so. And the SR performance line.
How many people have you taken to Gapplebee's, bro?
Not too many around
Not
here.
too many?
Hey, it'll get down though.
Oh.
And that's alright.
Yeah.
I forgot to tell y'all it's Cam too.
Here's the girl that doesn't follow me back.
I just followed you.
See, I don't follow anybody. Got the girlfriend.
Oh.
Oh.
Gay as fuck.
Oh,
I'm saying.
PDA alert, get a room. Alright, kiss. Bro just got friend zoned, bro. Oh no.
That's what she's. Never mind.
There's
Were
a
you
cop.
in the friend zone?
There's a cop right there.
Oh, there is.
You want $1, baby?
Oh, you tryna
Bribe a cop?
shit, bro, I just met you guys yesterday. Get
I don't
that
know you,
song.
but you want $1?
Why you always want to hand out dollars to people? What the fuck, bro?
Y'all good?
Yeah, we over there. Yeah, we
I was like, I know those little beans.
Oh, his lights are on.
Ahorita ahí voy.
My ADHD can't handle this. I'm like, huh?
Honestly, just put a camera on and just record your shit.
Tickle.
That's a recording?
Oh, yeah. Bro's throwing up gang signs. Bro. Hold on.
No, I'm not. I'm just wiggling my fingers around.
Bro's
Didn't mean to flash you, camera.
Damn.
Ain't no way, bro.
Yeah, throw it back, camera. Oh yeah. Hey.
Nah, not right now.
Oh, yeah, bro, shit. Bro got the flyest car here.
I'm chilling.
Come on now. You
Little-
got the show card.
On stocks is
Dude,
crazy,
they gotta wait for the episode.
Wait for the episode.
Wait for the episode. It's crazy.
My man.
I had to be like you, bro.
bro.
Be like you. Oh.
My man. Oh, he got the whole setup today. Look at you.
I'm trying to be like you, bro. Look
What
at
you
that.
mean?
Bro got a big deal though, bro. Look at that. When they say BBC, what we talking about? You or the camera?
We not gonna disclose neither.
Alright, let me see.
But,
Now,
oh my god.
What's up? Hello, my name is Cam, but you can call me Hotshot. Hotshot Films on Instagram and TikTok.
It's his first time
So,
vlogging.
my first time vlogging, my first time doing this stuff.
Bro's popping his cherry.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I'm coming. I've been a big fan of the car scene for a while, and this is like my first official, like, me going into the spotlight willingly, because I've always been scared to do it. Hey, it was good seeing y'all. It was good meeting y'all. Make sure y'all follow and subscribe to him. Really chill guy.
We got Ali.
We got Trippy Media.
Trippy Media. We got an LS Swap 350 over there.
Too soon,
soon?
bro. Too soon.
Oh my
Good, y'all. Look who it is.
Bro, I'm trying to copy
Oh my god. But you got a better setup than me, bro.
Not even, bro.
Bro, you got a 7.3. Ah, Rich guy. Whoa. Bro got a wide body 370Z in Nashville.
Not anymore.
Not anymore. Rest in peace.
Rest in peace.
Yeah. I'm glad somebody said their prayers because you were protected.
I'm alive. Bro.
You're alive,
I'm
bro.
and walking.
You're alive, bro. That's good though.
Bro got a mean ass setup though. Damn. Oh, I'm talking about the cameraman. Look at him. Nobody gives love to the cameraman, bro. Look at that form. Look at that stance. Look at that fitment.
Yeah, we gotta work those arms.
Hell yeah.
Never legs, never legs.
We skip leg day over here.
Oh, every day, all day, never.
He has sparkle.
Oh, is this a
on the
Sparkle
carpet.
PDF?
Bro is goated. God. If it ain't Mr. DC 5-star, bro.
It's cold.
Bro, rate the fit.
Only.
Bro, the fit go crazy.
Fucked up a couple sex until I got it right.
S2K Master, what do you think? Valid? Is coming, all of those. Homeboy wrecked, so his bike. So I think he's gonna go get seen by the paramedics right now. Bro. This is why we don't do dumb stuff. This is why we don't do dumb shit at car meets, at Park and Chills, bro. Shout out to them for pulling up, like, real quick. Alright, I think he's about to be treated by the paramedics, but I hope everybody gets home safe. I think his friends are there, so he's in good hands. But yeah, there he is. He's walking, at least. He's walking. That's good. That's good. Thank God. Thank God.